If you're that student right now who is thinking about doing something so you can earn on the side, you can help out your families, hear me out. Because this might be the option, or this might be the video that will give you options. Hi everyone, welcome again to ELI5. This is your Kuya Brand who answers your questions about career. Anything about career, because we don't talk about it in school, right? And that's why we have this, because we want to be able to help you plan, we want to be able to help you start, and want to be able to help you become really productive in your career so you can have fulfilling lives, okay? Now we're going to talk about something that got my attention, and this happened a few days back, and this happened during a talk that I did for a lot of students online, and one comment really got my attention, and the student told me that she feels that finally she can start doing something to help out her parents. And you know, I feel you. When I was a student, I really wanted to do that as well. That's why but it took a lot of effort to find out how to do that, right? And that comment, I know that it's very crucial right now. It's very relevant right now because a lot of us are, of course, is still, facing the effects of this pandemic. And that's why I want to give you some options. I want to be able to help you with the options that you have right now. And these are some things that I realized after trying a lot of stuff. So I'm going to give them to you now. If you're that student right now who is thinking about doing something so you can earn on the side, you can help out your families, hear me out. Because this might be the option, or this might be the video that will give you options. Okay? We'll go through them. This will be very quick. I'm not going to make this too long. I'll try to give as much examples as I can so you can start immediately. Okay? Now, the biggest reason why a lot of people are having a hard time, especially as students, having a hard time starting earning on the side is that they don't know what their options are. I mean, how do you exactly earn on the side, right? And there are two things that probably lead to that. First is that they really don't know what the options are, or second, there are just too many things that they see, they don't know where to start, all right, or they don't know what to pursue. And I'm gonna help you simplify that. So if you're ready, let's go through them now. Okay, first option for you to earn as a student while still in this pandemic is for you to get paid for your time. Meaning you will be doing something for other people or maybe an organization and you get paid for that. Do you understand that? Because if you do understand that, you will find that there are a lot of people and organizations looking for someone to help them, to give them a hand in all the activities that they have. For example, there are a lot of organizations right now or companies right now who are looking for people to help them manage their social media. That's just one, and that's the most obvious. But you guys are so good at this. I'm sure you can find a way to do that, right? So you get paid for your time. You have a fixed time that you will be doing that for them, probably 2 hours a day, and then you get paid for those 2 hours a day. Okay? You're giving your time. So if you are familiar with employment, this is similar to that. You get paid for the time you spend doing those things, for helping people with their tasks or helping them with their problems. Okay? That's the first one, and I hope that was very clear to you. Let's go now to the second one. The second one is to get paid for your output. What does that mean? It means that you're going to produce something that a person or an organization needs, and you're going to get paid not for the time you spend there, but for something you produce for them. Okay? Quick example, maybe okay, there are a lot of events happening right now online, and for example, they need posters for their events, and you're good at that, or you have the ability to create posters for them. You can get paid for creating posters for them. Okay, you're not going to get paid for the hours you spend on making the poster. You're going to get paid for producing it, so it has to be done. Okay, that's just one. And there are a lot of opportunities online as well. There are people looking for someone who can do their copies, like for example, copies on their websites, or copies on their posts, or copies on their materials. If you can write, then that may be a good option for you to get paid for the output. Now just look around and find people who need output, or find people and organizations who need outputs done. They may not have the expertise for it. You probably have the expertise for it. Then you're a match. Okay? That's another option for you. I hope that was very clear. Next is to get paid for creating a solution. And what I mean by solution can be a product or a service. Okay? Can be a product or a service. Now, this can get confusing for some, but I think the easiest way for you to understand this is to think of it like a starting business. All right? A starting business. And I think a lot of people are doing this two ways. First is to produce it, meaning you have the ability to produce a product or a service that people want. Okay? For example, people want masks that are decorative or they're really nice. Then you can produce that, they buy it from you, you gain from the profit. Okay? Or you probably have people who are needing some form of delivery. Okay, you have a bike and you want to deliver for them, then you get paid for providing that solution. This product needs to go to this customer, you do that. Or even better, you hire people, you get people to do that, to serve more people. Then you have a service there, a logistics service. Those are just simple examples. So think of a solution or a service that you can provide so people can solve their problems. Okay, like, okay, I want sushi at night. Then you can probably create that and they can buy from you. Okay, it's a solution to a craving. Yeah, because that's what I'm thinking right now, because I watched a video about that. But okay, that's just one. And another thing is probably solving. That's the first version of that, getting paid to provide solutions. Second version of getting paid to provide solutions is if you can be a connector. Like, for example, I know that drop shipping is a thing right now. If you don't know that, you can just search it. I think a lot of people are doing that online through the online shopping sites that we have, the two major ones. You can have that. You can connect with a supplier and then tell them that, hey, I'm gonna put this up on my shop, and whenever someone likes it, probably a water bottle or a mouse or a gaming chair, you can source it, and then you can connect it to the customer. Just tell them, hey, I have this order, can you deliver it to them? And then you get profits. Okay, so those are different ways to approach problem solving or creating solutions by producing products or service for people. Okay, I hope that was very clear to you, because I don't want to make this long. I just want to get you started on this so that you don't get lost just thinking about what to do. Okay, you have three options. You get paid for your time, you get paid for your outputs, and you get paid for creating a product or a service by getting profits. Okay, so that's simple enough. If you have any clarifications about this, or if you feel that you still have some questions, let us know. Or generally just let us know what you think about this, so that we can provide you with more videos answering your questions. Because I do think that as a student, you are capable of doing a lot of things, even when you're at home. That's the good thing about the digital revolution, right? You have a lot of options right now. And please don't be limited by just being at home. Okay? You are capable. So if you have more questions, let us know. By the way, we are starting a list where we can send you directly a lot of our information, so that we can help you with your questions about your career and your life ahead, or your present questions or present struggles, so we can send them directly to you. Okay, there's a link down below. Just click it. You can leave your details and we can send them to you. This is Kuya Brent of Team Aguhon. I'll see you again next time.